Tired of typing out hours of meeting recordings? OneNote can transcribe audio for you in seconds. Here's how. We'll open the Transcribe pane, choose your audio source, then review and add the transcript to your page. So let's start with the first step, opening the Transcribe pane in OneNote. Make sure you're in the desktop version of OneNote and that you're signed in with a Microsoft 365 subscription. That's important because this feature is tied to your subscription. Now go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Look for the button that says Record and Transcribe, or sometimes just Dictate. Click that drop-down menu and select Transcribe. A sidebar will slide in from the right side of your screen. That's the Transcribe pane, and it's your control center for everything we're about to do. All right, now we get to choose where your audio comes from. First, pick the language of your recording from the drop-down menu. This helps OneNote understand the speech more accurately. If you already have an audio file, click Upload Audio. OneNote accepts WAV, MP4, M4A, and MP3 files. Just browse to where your file is saved, select it, and let OneNote start processing. This is perfect for that lecture you recorded on your phone last week, or a meeting you captured with a separate app. But if you're sitting in a live meeting or a lecture right now, click Start Recording instead. OneNote will use your device's microphone to capture everything in real time. Just speak clearly, and when the meeting or lecture is over, click the Save and Transcribe button. That's it. Now here's the part where you need a little patience. OneNote is going to process your audio file or recording, and that can take a few seconds or even a couple of minutes if the file is long. Leave the Transcribe pane open while it works. I know it's tempting to click away, but just let it do its thing. And here's where the real magic happens. Once the processing is done, you'll see a full written transcript appear in the sidebar, complete with timestamps. If your audio had multiple speakers, OneNote will even tag them separately. You can click on any line of text to play that exact section of audio. And if the transcription misheard a word, just click on it and type the correction right there in the sidebar. It's that simple. When you're happy with the transcript, click the Add to Page button at the bottom of the sidebar. A menu will pop up asking how you want the text to appear. You can add just the plain text, text with speaker names, text with timestamps, or both speakers and timestamps. Pick the option that best fits your needs, and OneNote will drop the entire transcript directly onto your page. And just like that, you've gone from manually typing hours of audio to having a fully editable, time-stamped transcript in your notes. No more rewinding, no more pausing, no more hand cramps. OneNote did the heavy lifting for you.